Homeland Security, and the Attorney General and the Postmaster General. So he is in charge of appointing all of those leaders of each section. It's quite a bit. The president also appoints ambassadors to foreign countries and judges for the federal court. But the president can get any money, or cannot get any money to pay anyone without the approval of Congress. And nearly everyone appointed by the president must be approved by Congress before they can take office. So, the president in this case, is he all-powerful?
So powerful.
So he's not all-powerful. When I say all-powerful, he
has
is
to go through
proper channels.
Yeah.
Yes, he still has someone that's going to limit what he can do. So he is very powerful. He is the head of our government, but the other branches also check him. So they make sure that he doesn't get too powerful in comparison to the other two branches. So the ways that they do that were, does anybody remember from the reading? It says, if you pay attention to the last bullet point, that's where we'll look at it. Congress, yes, and they were a part of which branch? Do you remember?
Was it the legislative?
Very good, our legislative branch. So our legislative branch checks our executive branch, which the president is the head of, so that they need approval from Congress. And everybody appointed must be approved by Congress. So another way that the legislative branch checks the executive branch. Okay, so the final sentence says, checks and balance, that's what the Founding Fathers wanted to accomplish, and they did. Okay. So now that we have finished our reading, you can go ahead and go back to finish your graphic organizers if you need to. But I'm going to go ahead and discuss our final project. Our final project, I would like you to make our tree from earlier that is going to represent our government. So if I'm looking at our tree, what components will you need?
Legislative.
Yeah, so you'll need a legislative branch. You'll need an executive branch, and you'll need a judicial branch. And you'll also need the people. Very good. And you'll need a trunk to represent that it's holding up our government. So what I would like you to do is choose images from the internet, or you may draw your images, but I need you to choose or draw at least one image to represent the legislative, executive, the judicial, and the people. Okay, so how many images total will you need? 4, very good. And you can either do this on your computers, or you can do it by drawing it on drawing paper, or make it out of construction paper, so it's your choice. Alright, so we'll go ahead and branch off and do that. Afterwards, we'll share it with